Streaming and the rockets red glare, the bombers singing through the night, red up black, white, silver.
The Beale Air Force Base Commander and Commander of the 9th Reconnaissance Wing. It's a pleasure to come and meet all of you and speak at the esteemed California Capitol Airshow. I'm the center of the runway. I just wanted to emphasize that it is due to the partnerships such as community and Beale Air Force Base that allows us to continue the mission of defending our nation, both here in California.
Yeah, that wingspan is as long as it looks. Yeah, it is 104 foot. You'll notice the chase car coming into position driven by another U-2 pilot. That chase car acts really as a safety observer for the landing. The chase car person does so much more during the 10-hour U-2 mission that you never see. But the visible part is this right here, making altitude calls, safety calls. On the U-2, the engine on the U-2 is GE engine. It's the same engine. Did take the F-104 design to create the U-2. Put the long wing on it, change the tail, and you got it. It's actually it's 104-foot wingspan, and 104 U-2s were built over time. Mongo's one of our lead instructor pilots. He runs our standardization division. A lot of combat underneath each wing, and they just wear away. This is ablation, and when they get low enough, maintenance will come out, stick a new plate on there. As long as you don't hit anything, waste communication with the pilot to make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, and that concludes.